Okay, this is 1.5. We are on page 34. Question 1, 1a. 2 and 3 over 4 divided by 24. So we need to first change the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So I will have 2 times 4 plus 3 over 4 for the first fraction. Right, you have 2 wholes and then each whole should have 4 little pieces. That's why it's 2 times 4. And then plus the 3 remaining pieces, which is here. Divided by, I can say 24 is the same as 24 over 1. Step 1, change all fractions into improper fraction. So 2 times 4 is 8, plus 3 is 11. We have 11 over 4. I can flip this over already. So times 1 over 24. So change into multiplication by taking the reciprocal of the divisor. So once again, the divisor is the fraction after the division sign. So step 3, we try to simplify. There's nothing to simplify in this case. Simplify, then you want to multiply numerator with numerator. Numerator is the top numbers. And denominator. So times denominator with the denominator. Denominator is just the bottom number in a fraction. So we have 11 times 1 over 4 times 24. We would get 11 times 1 is 11, 4 times 24, so 24 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16, 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. And that's it. Usually we still have to change it back into a mixed fraction, but because in this case, the fraction is already in a proper fraction form. Okay, change back to proper fraction. So a lot of the time, these proper fraction will be a mixed number or mixed fraction. Okay, but in this case, we don't have to do anything. This is the answer already. And that would be 1A. 1B. 24 divided by 2 and 3 over 4. Same idea, 24 over 1 divided by 2 times 4 plus 3 over 4. Just changing everyone into improper fraction. 2 times 4 is 8, 8 plus 3 is 11. So now I can change this into a multiplication statement by taking the reciprocal of the divisor or the second fraction. Nothing to simplify here. For the numerator, I have 24 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 2 is 8. Plus 1 is 9. So 96 over 11. Now I want to change this back into a mixed fraction. I can just do a long division. 11 times 8 is 88. And then I subtract them. 16 minus 8 is 8. So my final answer will be 8 and 8 over 11. Let's see. 7 and 1/3 divided by 2 and 1/2. 7 times 3 is 21 plus 1 is 22 over 3. Divided by 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. So we have 22 times 3. 22 over 3 times 2 over 5. Nothing to simplify again. 22 times 2 is 44. 3 times 5 is 15. And 15 times 2 is 30. So 44 minus 30 is 14. So my final answer will be 2 and 14 over 15. 1D. 2.5 divided by 7 and 1/3. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. We have 5 over 2 divided by 3 times 7 is 21 plus 1 is 22. So we have 5 over 2 times 3 over 22. Nothing to simplify again. 5 times 3 is 15. 2 times 22 is 66. That's weird. No, 2 times 22 is 44. Yeah. So that would be my final answer for 1D. 1E. 8 times 1/2 divided by 2 and 5 over 6. 8 times 2 is 16, plus 1 is 17, so 17 over 2 divided by 6 times 2 is 12, 12 plus 5 is 17. Change this to times by taking the reciprocal of the divisor. These two are the same, I can just cross it out. Divide by 2 to get 1, divide by 2 to get 3. So my answer will just be positive 3, because 3 over 1 is the same as 3. 1F. 5 and 1/3 divided by 3 and 5 over 9. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 1 is 16. 9 times 3 is 27. 27 plus 5 is 32. So now we have 16 over 3 times 9 over 32. I can divide this by 16 to get 1, divide this by 16 to get 2. Divide the 3 by 3 to get 1, divide the 9 by 3 to get 3. For numerator, I have 1 times 3, denominator, I have 1 times 2. And this will be 1 and 1/2 in mixed fractional form. 1G, 2 and 1 over 12 divided by 3 and 3 over 4. 2 times 12 is 24, plus 1 is 25, so 25 over 12 divided by 4 times 3 is 12, 12 plus 3 is 15. So we have 25 over 12 times 4 over 15. I can divide this by 4 to get 1, divide this by 4 to get 3, divide this by 5 to get 3, divide this by 5 to get 5. My final answer is 5 times 1 is 5, denominator 3 times 3 is 9. H. 6 and 3 over 4 divided by 4 and 7 over 8. 4 times 6 is 24, plus 3 is 27. 8 times 4 is 32. 32 plus 7 is 39. So now we have 27 over 4 times 8 over 39. I can divide this by 3 to get 9, divide 39 by 3 to get 13. Divide 4 by 4 to get 1, divide 8 by 4 to get 2. So numerator is 9 times 2, 18. Denominator 1 times 13 is 13. Change it back into mixed fraction. 13 goes into 18 one time. 18 minus 13 is 5. Question I. 4 and 4 over 5 divided by 8 and 1/3. 4 times 5 is 20, plus 4 is 24. 8 times 3 is 24, plus 1 is 25. So 24 over 5 times 3 over 25. Nothing to simplify. So 24 times 3, 4 times 3 is 12, 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Denominator 5 times 125 is 125. And J. 7 and 8 over 9 divided by 4 and 4 over 5. 9 times 7 is 63. 63 plus 8 is 71. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 4 is 24. So we just flip it over, change it to times. Nothing to simplify here again. 71 times 5, 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 7 is 35. And then 24 times 9, 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 2 is 18, plus 3 is 21. And 216 goes into 355 one time. Now I just need to subtract them. 15 minus 6 is 9, 4 minus 1 is 3. So I still have a remainder of 139, sorry, over 216. There, that would be the answer for J. Next one is K. 6 and 2/3 divided by 3 and 1/5. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 2 is 20. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 1 is 16. We have 20 over 3 times 5 over 16. We can simplify here, divide this by 4 to get 4, divide this by 4 to get 5. So we have 25 over 12. 12 goes into 25 two times. And 2 times 12 is 24. So 25 minus 24 is just 1. That's why I have 2 and 1 over 12. 2 and 3 over 8 divided by 1 and 3 over 4. 8 times 2 is 16, plus 3 is 19. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 3 is 7. I can flip this over, divide this by 4 to get 1, divide by 4 to get 2. We get 19 times 1 is 19, 2 times 7 is 14. 14 goes into 19 one time. We still have a remainder of 5. M, 8 times 1 over 6 divided by 2 and 1/2. 6 times 8 is 48, plus 1 is 49. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. Now I flip this over. Divide this by 2 to get 1, divide this by 2 to get 3. And I get 49 over 15. 15 goes into 49 3 times. 15 times 3 is 45. And then 49 minus 45 is 4. Six and 3 over 8 divided by 2 and 5 over 6. 8 times 6 is 48. 48 plus 3 is 51. 6 times 2 is 12. And then 12 plus 5 is 17. So I have 51 over 8 times 6 over 17. I can divide 17 by 17 to get 1, 51 by 17 to get 3. I can divide 6 by 2 to get 3, 8 by 2 to get 4. 3 times 3 is 9, 4 times 1 is 4. 4 goes into 9 two times. I have 2 and 1 over 4. Question O. 8 times 1 over 10 divided by 5 and 3 over 4. 10 times 8 is 80, plus 1 is 81. 4 times 5 is 20, plus 3 is 23. And then flip this over. Divide this by 2 to get 2, divide this by 2 to get 5. And that's it. 82 times 2 is 162. 123 times 5 is 115. And then I can just subtract this because 115 goes into 162 just one time. So 12 minus 5 is 7, 5 minus 1 is 4. I should have 1 and 47 over 115. Last question is P, 6 and 1 over 8, divided by 2 and 3 over 4. 8 times 6 is 48, plus 1 is 49. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 3 is 11. So we have 49 over 8 times 4 over 11. Divided by 4 to get 1, divided by 4 to get 2. Numerator 49 times 1 is 49, denominator 2 times 11 is 22. So we have 2 and 5 over 22, because 22 goes into 49 2 times. 2 times 22 is 44. Okay, that's it for question 1. I'll see you in question 2.